In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Gmail junk folder, an essential part of email management that ensures you don't miss out on important emails that might have mistakenly been filtered out of your primary inbox. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to navigate your Gmail account like a pro, making sure that no critical communication slips through the cracks. First off, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to log into your Gmail account. This step is pretty straightforward. Open your preferred web browser, type in mail.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, Gmail will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and do that. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your Gmail inbox, filled with a mixture of correspondence, newsletters, and everything in between that makes up your daily emails. Now, the journey to the elusive junk or spam folder begins with a simple click. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of options such as inbox, sent mail, drafts, and more. But what you're looking for is not immediately visible. This is where the more option comes into play. You may need to scroll down a little to find it, but once you do, go ahead and click on it. This action will expand the list of options, revealing additional folders that Gmail automatically categorizes your emails into. After clicking more, keep an eye out for the folder labeled spam. This is your junk folder in Gmail. The spam folder is where Gmail filters emails that it deems suspicious or unsolicited, anything that it thinks might be junk mail. By clicking on the spam option, you're essentially telling Gmail to display all emails that have been filtered into this category. It's important to regularly check your spam folder because, despite Gmail's best efforts, it's not uncommon for legitimate emails to be mistakenly marked as spam. This could include job offers, financial statements, personal messages, or any other emails that you were expecting but didn't find in your primary inbox. Once you're in the spam folder, take a moment to browse through the emails. If you spot any that aren't actually junk, you can easily rectify the mistake. Simply select the email or emails in question and look for the Not Spam button, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this will immediately move the selected emails out of the spam folder and into your primary inbox, ensuring you don't miss out on important communications in the future. Moreover, as a tip for managing your emails more efficiently, consider regularly reviewing your spam folder. This routine check can help you stay on top of your emails, ensuring that no important message goes unnoticed. Furthermore, it helps in training the Gmail algorithm over time about what you consider to be spam and what is important, potentially decreasing the chances of false positives in the future. Additionally, while you're managing your spam folder, it might be a good time to clean up. Emails in the spam folder are automatically deleted after 30 days, but if you'd like to clear some space immediately or remove emails you're certain you won't need, feel free to select them and hit the delete button. Remember, the spam or junk folder is an essential aspect of your Gmail account that serves as a filter, protecting you from potentially harmful messages, but also requires your attention to ensure no important emails are overlooked. In conclusion, finding your junk or spam folder in Gmail is a straightforward process. It starts with accessing your Gmail account, clicking on the More button to reveal additional folders, and then selecting the spam folder to review any emails that have been filtered out of your primary inbox. Regular checks and management of your spam folder ensure you're not missing crucial communications and help keep your inbox tidy and organized. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to find your Gmail junk folder. By following these simple steps, you're not only keeping your email account organized, but also making sure you're on top of all your important communications. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your digital tools and services.